This course on the dynamics of group communication is organized into 4 different learning modules. Module 1 is all about communication. Module 2 focuses on group development and decision making. Module 3 explores conflict, difference, and diversity. And Module 4 covers technology and group interaction. First up in Module 1, we'll look at communication. But not the common sense or taken for granted notions of communication you might expect. Instead, we're going to rethink communication and challenge some of the conventional wisdom about communication that is so common in our society. We'll compare and contrast different theories or models of communication and see if we can develop a more sophisticated understanding of communication to better comprehend the complexities of human interaction in today's groups. We'll also explore some of the hidden forces of group communication, like context, systems and institutions, and design. These are all things that are present in any group situation, influencing how we interact with each other, but they're easy to miss if we're not looking. So we want to expand our field of vision, so to speak, so we have a fuller understanding of what's happening in any group situation. Module 2 focuses on group development and decision making. We'll look at how groups can come together through socialization and how they develop norms and how roles emerge, and we'll compare and contrast different models that explain these processes. We'll examine the various decision-making traps that groups can fall into, while also developing better practices for making good group decisions. And we'll explore how groups can be more creative and innovative in their decision-making. Module 3 is all about conflict, difference, and diversity. We'll learn how groups can have a good fight and how you can choose the right words in a dispute, as well as how to negotiate with others when things get difficult. We'll also explore why difference and diversity are so important for group communication and how understanding the concept of identity is critical for our involvement in groups. And we'll pay special attention to communication and gender, one of the most significant aspects of difference and diversity for groups to understand. Finally, Module 4 covers technology and group interaction, an increasingly prevalent aspect of the modern landscape of group work we must understand. We'll look at the concept of virtual work and how groups are using technology, as well as various models and theories of media functionality and information processing. We'll cover several practical and conceptual issues we should always keep in mind when it comes to technology and group communication. And we'll explore some cutting-edge thinking about technology and group work through the fascinating theory of sociomateriality. All this should prove to be quite an exciting adventure into the fascinating dynamics of group communication. And I'm glad you can join me on this journey. I'll see you in the next video.